My daughter accused her dad of kissing her friend. Last year, our family fell apart. My 16-year-old daughter accused her dad of something terrible. She believed he had hurt her best friend. Her friend, who she'd known for about a year, claimed my ex-husband tried to kiss her, and when he didn't, she accused him of something much worse. The police got involved, and it felt like a nightmare. My daughter immediately believed her friend and cut her dad off completely. She wouldn't speak to him, blocked him on social media, and even posted something like "Believe Women" online. Her dad was devastated. He tried to see her, but she refused. My brother had to force him out of the house when he showed up begging to talk. After weeks of investigation, the truth came out. Her friend admitted to the police that she had lied. It was her mom's boyfriend who had hurt her, but she accused my ex because she thought he was a safe option. My daughter was shattered when she found out the truth. She tried reaching out to her dad, desperate to apologize, but when she called him, he wasn't ready to forgive her. He told her he needed time and space because it hurt him too much that she didn't believe him. He even asked me to make sure she didn't contact him until he was ready. My daughter cried and banged on his door, begging to talk, but he wouldn't let her in. He's too hurt.